Breaking news mga kababayan. Nako, ito na naman tayo. Grabe itong pahayag po ni Congressman Miao Kiko Barsaga. Mga kababayan, grabe oh. Tingnan nyo. Bukas ng gabi, papasukin natin ang Forbes Park. Nako, grabe itong pahayag niya mga kababayan. Talagang nakakagulat ito. Hindi lang mismo sa gate, no? Talagang papasukin daw talaga mga kababayan. Talagang gustong lusubin nito yung mga bahay di umano ng mga korap daw dito sa loob ng Forbes Park mga kababayan. Grabe. Sabi dito, yan ang matapang na sigaw ni Cavite 4th District Representative Kiko Barsaga sa kanyang Facebook page. Matapos ibahagi nga ang mga detalye tungkol sa nakatakdang anti-Marcos protest sa Forbes Park, Buendia Gate bukas, Oktubre 12, 2025, alas 10 ng gabi. Grabe mga kababayan, talagang alas 10 ng gabi mga kababayan, no? Talagang kumbaga sa ano ito, anong ibig sabihin nito mga kababayan? Parang yung magnanakaw, gabi din umaano. Gabi din pumupuntirya ng mga papasuking bahay. Parang ganitong mangyayari bukas mga kababayan. Ang pupuntiryahin naman ni Kiko Barsaga, hindi umano'y mga bahay daw ng mga korap dito sa Forbes Park mga kababayan. Sabi pa sa kanyang viral video post, nanawagan si Barsaga sa sambayan ng Pilipino na tumindig at muling lumaban sa korupsyon at pang-aabuso sa kapangyarihan na anyay patuloy na bumabalot sa administrasyon ni Pangulong Marcos Jr. Ayon kay Barsaga, ang darating na protesta ay isang pagkilos para bawiin ang dignidad ng sambayan ng Pilipino. Nako mga kababayan, anong masasabi nyo dito? Talagang hindi na mapipigilan itong si Kiko Barsaga. Talagang ang pinunterya, no, yung Forbes Park mga kababayan, hindi yung Malacanang dito diretso sa mga bahay di umano ng mga politiko dito sa Forbes Park mga kababayan. Grabe, nagkaroon nga ito mga kababayan ng 39k reaction at bago lang ito 3 hours pa lang oh. Grabe. At sa mga comment, ito yung Jin say na congressman na matapang, may bayag. Wala pong masama kung maniniwala dahil totoong pinapahirapan ng mga kurap ang kapwa Pilipino. Ayan, mga comment dito. Di ba mas okay na biglaan at i-post para di makapaghanda ang mga kontra? Ang sa akin naman mga kababayan, kung hindi ito ipopost, hindi ito makikita ng mga taong bayan. Di ba? Kaya siguro pinost din ito ni Congressman Kiko Barsaga. Talagang grabe ito mga kababayan. Abangan natin bukas to. At mayroon pang isang rallying magaganap mga kababayan. Ito nga yung nagdeklara na din, no? Yung kampo naman. Yung kampo ng mga Duterte. Ito mga kababayan. Ito, panoorin nyo. So ayan, nagdeklara na para sa darating na October 12 mga kababayan. Supporters ni Vice President Sara Duterte mga kababayan, anong tawag, press con para sa darating na October 12 mga kababayan. Ito na.
We are now called a country of thieves. That's why we support and urge VP Sara to run for the presidency in 2023 and promise to support her all the way. When we agree with the idea that we will support VP Sara all the way for 2028 presidential election. We agree. We see these qualities in Vice President Sara Duterte. You agree that VP Sara is a RAD leader, resilient, agile, and developmental. A leader whose dedication to public service is selfless, inspiring, and transformative, with strong conviction in the execution of her sworn duty.
Solve na solve! Ang bawat handaan sa Family Fiesta, pa-deliver na!
Bagong kakaiba, intense sa cooling power kanyang dala.
VIPSD, or Voice of Individuals of the Philippines for Sustainable Development. VIPSD is a movement composed of various sectors, as I have introduced them, and more to come, whose leaders and members are committed to unite and organize themselves for the purpose of achieving one primary objective: the attainment of sustainable peace and development.
So bagong grupo pala to mga kababayan, no? Yan, may tatak BIP SD, Voice of Individuals of the Philippines for Sara Duterte, mga kababayan. Yun palang ibig sabihin ng BIP SD.
In the country. As a movement, we aim at educating our citizenry on the importance and significance of moral values, unity, and peace to national security and development, and to mobilize our resources within the spirit of voluntarism. We are here as volunteers to better the Philippines. As the quote of former Czech Commissioner Ronald Adamat goes, this representation: meaningful leaders do not deform a nation, but reform it for the betterment of the people. The question now is, do we have meaningful leaders around us or in the country? Maybe your guess is as good as mine. As far as I'm concerned, and I think this is also your belief, you share this belief, we can count by our fingers meaningful leaders of our country. Maybe this person seated next to me at the presidential table, and the members of officers and members of the IPSD, we can trust them. They are meaningful leaders. That's why we are here today. But by and large, we see what they call is meaningless leaders. When I call meaningless leaders, these are the leaders who are deforming this country through massive corruption, through hypocrisy, walang puso, walang kaluluwa, at nakakahiya po tayo sa ibang bansa. There is a news this morning I heard from the radio. We are now called a country of thieves. Alam po ninyo yon? A country na kung saan nandito yung mga magnanakaw. Nakakahiya po yun. I am not proud to be a Filipino if my country is called country of thieves. Do you agree with that? Natutuwa ba kayo na country of thieves sa Pilipinas? No. Of course not. So ano po ang gagawin natin? Kaya po tayo nagkaroon ng ganitong organization because to our belief, we want to be part of the solutions to reform the country. But our country's problems are so complex and huge, which require the adaptation and implementation of what we call RAD leadership framework or approach. Ano po ang RAD leadership approach or framework. RAD. RAD, R stands for resilient. A stands for agile. And D stands for developmental leader. RAD also means effective, cool, and exciting. It's also a short term for radical. We need a radical leader to implement radical change and bring this country to greater heights. And as we see, and for that matter, we see these qualities in Vice President Sara Duterte. Do you agree? Yes. Do you agree? Yes. Do you agree that VP Sara is a RAD leader? Resilient, agile, and developmental. A leader whose dedication to public service is selfless, inspiring, and transformative, with strong conviction in the execution of her sworn duty. A leader who always offers solutions to problems. Look what happened to Davao, Cebu. If the government is scrambling to monitor, to look for solution, anong ginawa ni VP Sara? Without any words, dumating ang relief goods from the people of Davao City. Yan ang kailangan nating leader. Action agad.
Action agad.
Agile leadership is very important. He is always there to offer solutions to problems rather than adhering to blaming game strategy. A leader based on the results of various national surveys clearly showed the highest trust by Filipinos as they are inspired of her leadership despite being continuously castigated with so many accusations hurled against her. A leader or a RAD leader, an inspiring leader like VP Sara is what this country entirely needs. For when people are inspired of their leader, they volunteer respect, obedience, discipline, and easy to contribute to national unity and development. These are the very reasons why we support and urge VP Sara to run for the presidency in 2028 and promise to support her all the way. When we agree with the idea that we will support VP Sara all the way for 2028 presidential election. Do we agree? Agree! The RAD leadership in her will surely minimize, if not eradicate, massive corruption, poverty, criminality, and moral degradation. Anong nangyayari sa atin ngayon? May moral values pa ba ang mga Pilipinos? Siguro majority demoralized dahil sa nangyayari sa ating bansa. Alam nyo,
Yun guys, wag na po natin ituloy guys kasi medyo malakas po yung echo, no? Baka masakit na sa tenga nyo yung echo. So basta itong grupo na ito ay binuo, no? Voice of Individuals of the Philippines. Kaya tinawag siyang BIPSD. Voice of the Individuals of the Philippines for Sustained Development. Di ko kasi makita dito parang nakasuporta to kay VP Sara Duterte, mga kababayan. So Ayan, mag-comment kayo mga kababayan kung ano masasabi nyo dito. Hindi ko alam kung kasama sila dito bukas sa gaganaping rally, no? Mayroon kasing dalawang rally bukas. Isa sa Ra Sulaiman, doon sa may malapit ata yun sa Manila Bay, yung isa nilang event. Tapos yung isa naman sa may diretso sa gate ng Forbes Park. Ito naman yung kay Kiko Barsaga mga kababayan. So gabi pa naman tong kay Kiko Barsaga. Itong isa naman hapon po ito, kaya dalawa. So parang magsasalita muna doon sa hapon, tapos pagdating naman ng gabi, diretso na sila doon sa gate daw ng Forbes Park mga kababayan. So mag-comment kayo, mag-like at mag-share kung ano po yung opinion nyo dito sa mangyayari bukas. So maraming salamat po mga kababayan.